Alright, this is a retake of the elevators here at the Yotelpad. I came here back in late January when I was with Jake, South Central Florida Elevators. And this place was still under construction. It was almost done. Yeah, my uncle opened this hotel. I was here earlier with Gabe. I'm staying at this hotel right now.
3rd floor. Going down. Lobby.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Going up.
Alright. We'll go up to the pad. 31. Let's go take car A. Throughout the time, they overhauled these cabs, and I actually like their new look. It's pretty cool. Here we go.
First floor.
These things actually run pretty freaking smooth. I mean, despite those little noises that you heard, but that's nothing. Alright, just gonna look around up here. This is like the amenities for the residences. That my car just left. And here's the service elevator. I'll ride it later. That's a big door. Okay, we'll go down lobby. Car C. Car C doesn't have a good cab. It just has like the boring. I remember these. I came here when this place was still under construction and not open yet, but the door was open, so you came in and reviewed these before and rode these before anybody else could. Yeah, see, look, someone doesn't have much of a cab. Here's a cab view. Yeah. I'll probably try to get a different car. Right here you can see the doors. We'll watch the doors going up. Because these things are actually these things are cool.
Lobby.
Or a lobby. I think that the hotel is just called the Yotelpad is residences. 31. Car B. This car is the best cab. Oh wow, this one's surface mounted, this one's flush.
First floor.
31. Alright. Now we'll go back down to lobby. Focus. Focus.
Going down.
Get one more cab view. I like the new look. Why is this thing not focusing? Focus. Focus. Don't know why it's not focusing. Alright.
Lobby.
What I do wonder is if they're gonna keep the indicators like this. If they're gonna change them to like a better indicator. I don't know. There it goes. That's it.